The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL 8QT ClearCook Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers 8 different functions. It's more affordable than you expect, so make sure to check the price in the description below. With the ability to cook 2 separate meals at once in its dual baskets, it saves you time and effort, and eliminates the need for back-to-back cooking. The ClearCook windows and internal light let you monitor the cooking process easily, while the EvenCrisp technology ensures your food is perfectly crispy and golden every time. Plus, it features one-touch smart programs for popular dishes like wings, roasted veggies, and cookies. With its fast preheating and wide temperature range, you'll be able to create gourmet meals quickly and efficiently. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL 8QT ClearCook Air Fryer makes cooking easier than ever with its user-friendly design and customizable features. The dual baskets provide flexibility, allowing you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously, with the option to use 2 distinct cooking settings. Whether you're making a quick dinner for the family or prepping a large meal, this air fryer is up to the task. The SyncCook and SyncFinish functions ensure that both baskets finish cooking at the same time, even if you use different settings for each. Its EvenCrisp technology delivers a perfectly crispy exterior with a tender, juicy interior, giving your food a restaurant-quality finish without the need for extra oil. With the pre-programmed smart cooking options, you can prepare dishes like cinnamon buns, garlicky potatoes, and wings with just a push of a button. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL is not just fast, but it also cooks food evenly, so every meal is perfectly cooked every time. Cleaning up is easy with its non-stick baskets, making post-cooking maintenance quick and simple. Additionally, the wide temperature range from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit means you can experiment with a variety of recipes and cooking techniques. Whether you're an experienced home chef or a beginner, this air fryer is a perfect addition to any kitchen.